So what I want to do is I'm going to get a little bit of my dark brown. I did not wet this brush because I am going to dry brush. I'm going to get a little bit of my dark brown with a little bit of that rose. I'm going to wipe it off. This is really important to the point where it's like almost gone. All right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure nothing comes off on my hand so it's almost dry. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right inside, leave a little bit of black right here. And I'm going to make a U-like shape, but look how little paint is coming off my brush, all right? And as I come up, it's fading. It's less and less, all right? Most people have to really wipe off their brush, okay? So we're going to start there. I'm going to do that with my other eye also. So if you, well, that's a little too much rose. We're going to go back and highlight it more, but I don't want to start out with it too bright, okay? What I was going to say, if your brush is splitting, like we didn't pull out all the water and, you know, lay it flat to dry right, you can always just wiggle it like this at the base, and then it pulls back together, okay? So don't ever worry about that. All right, so what I'm going to do next is, make sure there's one there. I'm going to do the same on here. So I'm just going to, when I'm putting my brush down, it's ever so light when I'm doing this, when I'm putting my brush down. And I'm gliding it across the back of the brush. Remember how your angle is like this, not like this, okay? So I'm going to pull across. My touch is lighter as I go up, less paint as I go up, okay? I'm going to lift off, lift off, lift off, lift off. All right, lift off, lift off. Don't press harder until you realize how much paint you have, all right? I'm gonna move this up so I'm not stooping, okay? So then I'm going to get a little bit more white. I'm gonna wipe that off also, but I have a little bit on there, all right? So we're gonna make this, make sure, it's just a tiny bit. These are your eyes. It's really important in the painting. So I wiped off a little too much, which I'd rather do than, you know, having too much on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right in this area right here because this is a little brighter, right? And I'm going to take this up a little bit further. I'm just going to scuff up here around this area as well. Just a tiny scuff up there. All right, so I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to pull a little bit more white right here. The other thing is when you're creating a painting, you want to make sure that you're stepping back and looking at it, leaning back and taking a look at it, because your perspective is going to be different, like how you're going to see it on a wall versus painting it up close, you know. So you'll see me, like if it's quiet, I'm leaning back and taking a look at it. Another way to see it from like to make it look like it's, you know, 4 to 5 feet away is if you look through your phone camera. So that is very helpful also. I smudged that a little too much right there. Okay. So I'm going to take just a tiny bit of paint that I have left on here and just scuff right up through the top, just like the other one. Okay. So then I'm going to throw that in my cup. I'm going to get that little filbert I told you about. If you don't have that, you want to get your round brush. You want to get a pointy brush, which let me grab mine off the ground. And so a round brush will do, okay? Pointy brush, okay? All right, so we're going to get a little bit of white. I'm not putting water on it. If you had water on it, just like dry it off. Start again. These little marks right here, we're going to put these little glares in the eye, so it's a little bit brighter towards the middle. And then as you go down, take your pressure off and let this just be like scuffed a little bit, okay? These are just glares in the eye, so just a little scuff in there, okay? I'm going to do it again, tiny bit of white, tiny bit. I'm going to go over here. Same thing, just kind of like scuff it. Don't make harsh lines over here, guys. Just kind of scuff it. I'm going to get a little bit more bright, more towards the top of the arch, just a tiny bit more. I'd rather you just do it a little at a time. Okay, up here, a little bit brighter there. All right, So then I'm going to go straight into that and leave a little chunk on the tip. All right, and we're going to put in, you know, this brighter glare with this, you know, round dot there. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of a touch here and maybe another like little touch of white there, okay? So just making little glares in the eyes. If you needed to go to your round brush to do this, that would be fine also. I'm gonna make a little dot here and maybe one over here, okay?